Hello, Life360 users. Welcome to iWhere Official. Life360 is a family locator app that allows you to stay connected with your loved ones. However, sometimes you may encounter issues with the app not updating your location properly. Let's explore the reasons behind this and how to fix it. Reasons why Life360 not updating location on iPhone. Life360 on iPhone may have trouble updating your location due to reasons such as poor internet connection, lack of location permissions, background app, refresh or low power mode restrictions, outdated app version, or minor software bugs. Ensure strong connectivity, proper permissions, and background running, and keep the app updated to resolve location updating issues. How to fix Life360 not updating location on iPhone. Make sure your device is connected to Wi-Fi or has a strong cellular data signal. Ensure that Life360 has the necessary permissions to use data in the background. If you're on Wi-Fi and experiencing issues, try restarting your router or modem. Check for any reported outages in your area. Use apps like Fast or Speed Test by Ookla to check your internet speed. If you suspect the issue is with the app's connection, try logging out of Life360. Force closing the app, turning off your phone for a couple of minutes, and then logging back in. To enable location services for Life360 on an iPhone, start by launching the Settings app on your iPhone. Then, scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. After that, tap on Location Services, which is at the top of the menu. Make sure the Location Services toggle is switched on. Next, tap on Life360 and choose Always to grant the app permission to access your location at all times. To ensure that Life360 can keep updating your location even when you're not using it, you'll want to enable Background App Refresh on your iPhone. Start by opening the Settings app. Locate Life360 in the list of apps. Next, tap on Background App Refresh and toggle the switch to turn it on. Don't forget this. Turn off low power mode on your iPhone so that Life360 can update your location accurately. Go to the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down and select Battery. Then find the low power mode switch and turn it off. You'll know it's off when the switch changes from green to white. To stop someone from seeing your real location on Life360, you can use a tool like iWhere to hide your real location on Life360. It offers various modes for location spoofing, allowing you to instantly change your location to anywhere in the world, create a route to your desired location, and move along it at a custom speed. To change your iPhone's location, start by connecting your iPhone to your computer using a USB cable. Then, launch the iWhere iPhone Location Changer on your computer and choose the Modify Location option on the software interface. You can input the new location by entering the address or coordinates, or by selecting it directly on the map. After selecting your desired location, click on the Confirm Modify button to apply the changes to your device. Once you've completed these steps, your iPhone will display the selected location as your current one. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue of Life360 not updating your location on your iPhone. If you need further assistance, feel free to ask. Thank you for watching our video. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for your support.